Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about how to install and run C or C++ in Visual Studio Code. Now, I know there are a lot of videos telling you how to install C or C++ on Visual Studio Code, but they would install the extension Code Runner. I would not be doing that because installing the extension Code Runner is not the proper way of running your program in C or C++ in Visual Studio Code. So let me tell you how to do it without Code Runner. So first of all, the way I learned is using this link. Don't worry, I'll post all of the links that I'm using in the description below, so you don't have to worry. First of all, I'm just assuming that you have Visual Studio Code with you and nothing else. So you have already installed Visual Studio Code and nothing else. So let's get started. First of all, we have to install a compiler. So to do that, we need to install Min Gw X64. We just have to install it before we start programming in C or C++. So we have to install it through this. So if I just open the link, it will give me this. So this is another link that I'll post in the description below, so don't worry. So first of all, you'll want to install this download installer, which is number 1. So you have to install this, and then it'll give you an option where you want to actually put it in. Don't worry, you can just put the default one. After that, you'll get this menu of completing the wizard, and make sure you have the box to run ticked and press finish. And after that, you'll be directed to a terminal. The terminal will look something like this, except this will be different. And this is my personal username, so you don't have to worry about that. But it won't be Min Gw X64, it'll be something else for you. So after you press finish, it'll ask you to run. Make sure you type in this code, just copy and paste it to the terminal. And when it asks you to proceed with installation, just type in capital Y. And then you have to type in this code and just press capital Y again. And then it'll be ready for you. You don't have to type in any more code, so you don't have to type this in. This is just extra stuff, but you don't have to worry about this. So just ignore this. Now we have to add the compiler to your path. So first of all, you need to type edit the system environment variables. Press enter and press environment variables, and you'll get this. Now, over here in the first one, press path and press edit. Now for me, I already have this here. I already have MSYS64 in my path. But for you won't have this. You have to press new and then type in where your compiler is in your computer. Now, if you didn't change the file location when you're installing the compiler, this will be the location where it will be in your computer. So just go to that location using your file explorer. Let me just do that. And just copy the file location and paste it here. And then press OK, close it, press OK, close it, and press OK, and then close it. And to see if it's installed, you can just run this in your command prompt. So let me just do that. And it'll look something like this. And for GDB, it'll look something like this. The main thing is that you can see there's a copyright and license, then it should be fine. Now, before we start programming in Visual Studio Code, we need to install this extension. So go to Visual Studio Code and search C or C++ to install it. And after you install it, you can start programming. So let me just run a piece of code first. So now I'm just going to make a simple C file to run a program. I'll just call it hello.c. So now to print it, go to terminal, run build task, press the compiler, press enter to close the terminal, and then just open the terminal one more time, and then put dot backslash, and now we have to see the file name. The file is called hello, so just put hello. Don't put .c, just put hello, press enter, and the code runs. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.